Pressure drop is the difference in pressure across a sample under a steady flow of 17.5 milliliters per second, measured at the exit of the sample. PD is mostly defined in millimeter water gauge and in pascals. Pressure drop standards are calibrated using differential pressure calibrator. The calibration process complies with ISO 6565-2015. It incorporates compensation for the effect of ambient conditions on the measured PD to present the result that would have been obtained under industry standards conditions of 22 Celsius degrees, 1013.25 hectopascals and 60% relative humidity. The conditions are standardized since they affect the density and viscosity of air and hence the flow rate through standards. The standards are multi-capillary standards manufactured from glass. These have 10 fine capillaries encapsulated in a glass rod. Standards are available from 50 mm water gauge. PD calibration standards, being made of glass, are susceptible to damage by careless handling. In use, air is passed through the standards. Air from the surrounding atmosphere will almost certainly contain dust particles that will slowly contaminate the capillaries. Calibration standards should therefore be stored and handled with care to avoid damage or excessive contamination. It's very important to do not handle the PD and ventilation standards for any longer than necessary, as these standards are extremely sensitive to the temperature when held in hand. Holding a standard for only 5 to 10 seconds can cause a temperature increase of about 1.5 Celsius degrees, with a consequent increase in pressure drop of up to 1%. In terms of storage, it is recommended to keep the standards in safe place, ideally in a box with foam inside, to prevent any chipping of the glass and any dust accumulation.